What's going on, YouTube? Face ass. Got the Magnum out today. Using the little bit of sunlight I got left. Had to work. Got this bitch parked up in the back. We're gonna be changing We're gonna be changing the rotors, front and back, or at least what I can get done now. I'm gonna edit in what I get done later. Yeah, I got all my tools, got my jack, got everything up in here. Straight Milwaukee Daytona. You ain't see that, but I got a lot of work that I can start doing finally. I just got a clock spring back there. Had to rip this shit down. Gotta take the steering wheel out. It's gonna be a different day. I got in the back. I wouldn't say harness issues, but I got harness issues. I think I might try to relocate everything, see if I could do it all right, but I don't know. That's just gonna take a while. I don't always have all that much time. Got the back doors, I gotta put that shit in for the brakes. Got over here, I got my rotors. My 2 rears, 2 fronts. Big old rotors for 6 piston BREMBOs. I'm not trying to waste no time. Let me get this shit set up. I'm gonna be back at you with the wheels. Have a bed pull up. His fine ass. Come help me out because I didn't have the piece I needed. But shit, progress is being made. After sitting down for like 20 minutes, being lost. Crying myself to sleep. Fuck!
It's the same shit as the crash.
Alright. Finish the problems. We got a cross and everything. Finna get this bitch up. Took us a little minute, but should be good. We'll get this bitch up. Everything unplugged. Take this shit wheeled off. We be alright.
Yeah, go to fucking AutoZone. You got a, what, 2-year, 3-year warranty?
Remember when I got that shit?
Yeah.
They didn't register to that shit.
You gotta go back to the same one you got.
Do a Tony edit. I lied. I'm coming back. It's the next day. Got the shit done. One of them at least. And what's it called? I got the wrong rotors. My front rotors are cool in the first place, so I don't gotta worry about that. But now I gotta take that rotor off the front and then put it on the back, because the back ones are 4 pistons, and that's what the rotors I have are for. You can see that bitch shiny as hell. That bitch got a glare on it. God, see? That's a new one. It don't fit. It's gonna fit the 4 piston in the back. So basically, y'all still finna get a tutorial. All right, we back. First thing I gotta do, come down, see if that's just on the fucking cradle, not on the oil pan. Yeah, line up nice. Get my big ass up. Make sure it's really going up. Gotta lift this bitch all the way the fuck up. Woo! Wheel's not lifted up yet. All right, bet. Just one more. All right, bet. So we just finna loosen the lugs up. 0.7, 0.5 maybe. Or not. This one's not fucking. I got it. I'm a retard, bro. I just woke the fuck up, nigga. I didn't get home till like 2 yesterday. It's fucking 6, 7 right now. I think that was small. All right, I got this bitch off. Fucking fat ass tires. Look at that shit. So I'm gonna lay him down. I bet. So I get to taking this shit off so I can put the old one back on. Once y'all get down here, the first time I took these out, I'm gonna try to do it without it because I don't think I needed to. I might have to because the other disc is gonna be taller and maybe a little bit wider, but I could take this shit out. I could take the caliper off without taking the pins and the grabber off. So what you gotta do is go back here. You're gonna have two of these. This one right here, and then there's this one down here too. Yeah. You just gotta loosen those. Take them out, the caliper will come off, and then I should be able to get the disc out. Yeah, basically I got that bitch on. All right, babe, so I got the bottom one off. I was having trouble because I was using a 15-16. Whole time I needed a 13-16. So I almost stripped these bitches, so I'm not gonna lie. All right, babe, so I'm gonna set this bitch up so you can see me. So you can kind of see what I'm trying to do. I gotta come up here. You gotta lift it up a little bit. So line the holes. So the whole caliper came out just like that. I need a spot to put it though, cause this bitch. It's not terrible. It's kind of got this line. It's cause it's the squat. Whoever did it, but I think I can lay it on the ground. I can stand it up. Yeah, for now. Let's take out this car. I'm gonna go get the new one. Yeah, by new one I meant the old ass one, cause these aren't terrible. Fuck, there's an ant and shit. These aren't terrible, but these are not the problem. It's my rears that shake. But these are 6-piston rotors. And I put the 4 up front because it's a wide body. It's the 4 pistons in the back. So that shit was just too small. Here, I'm gonna throw this bitch back on and see if I can get it. All right, bet. So I got this bitch back on, the OG one. Here's a little tip. So this bitch isn't swinging back and forth. Put the lugs on, bro. I was struggling with that shit so bad because I couldn't get these to plug in and the disc kept moving. So there's this one and that one. And then these two go in here. You see, I got them torqued all the way in, like shit like that. And then, yeah, there ain't no problem with that. That shit had me struggling though. But no, unless you're changing the brakes, you truly do not have to take these out. Because yesterday that wasted a lot of my time. All right, so we're really doing the 4 pistons now. Damn, what the fuck is that? These shits better not be different. So if not, then I don't know what I'm finna do. All right, this should be easier though, because I'm at the 13 right. Fuck, bro, these are smaller. I'm finna go get a different size, hold on. All right, bet, yeah, I got it. It's an 18 in the back. Fuck, I almost pushed the jack. Y'all see that? I could've died. This whole shit could've fallen on my head. Damn, I gotta be careful. But I'm gonna get those out. All right, bet, so you just basically repeat the same shit you did earlier. Got these two out now. Now my rotor should be free. I think I have to do this though. I'm just kind of just winging this one because I didn't know it was gonna be that different. Because this is where the drivetrain is, because rear wheel drive and shit. Because the front are just dead. But I'm gonna try to get rid of that now. Nah, I was just wrong. This bitch is coming out. It's just hella slow. I just gotta be careful with it. Like, I just gotta push it and then I'll be all right. Yeah, bro, whole time I'm just slow. I just need to pull that shit out. I was just being scary. You see, I got this bitch out. It's pretty simple. I'm just gonna throw this bitch on. Yeah, I threw them on. And I just need OEM parts, bro. That's my fault for buying bullshit. Because all this shit works. At least I taught y'all how to take it on and off. Take the brakes apart and shit. But I'm gonna just throw this one back on. Try to sell these, buy some OEM. Because it just didn't clear. Like, literally this much. By that much, it didn't fucking clear. So I'm gonna throw these back on. I'm gonna hit y'all later.
Who's over there?